Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video by me. So today I'm going to do my hair. So I just showered. I used a sulfate-free shampoo, which all of you should be using. It's really important for your hair because if you're using shampoo and conditioner with sulfates in it, it strips your hair of all of like the natural oils and everything that's in it. I used to use Pantene, which is obviously like a really bad shampoo for your hair. Tons of sulfates and like just bad chemicals for your hair. And my old boss like yelled at me for using it. Didn't yell, but she like always made fun of me for using it. So I started using a Joico, it's like a purple shampoo that's sulfate free, and I also use the conditioner, which is also sulfate free. So it's just really important for you guys to use that so that all your natural oils and everything are there and it doesn't strip your hair of color if you do have colored hair. So obviously I just got out of the shower. I like towel dried my hair. I'm doing a face mask right now. Sorry. But so when I get out of the shower, I put the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner on my hair. I spray it in my hand. I spray like 5 squirts of it, and then I just rub it in my hands, and I just put it like all throughout the ends mostly. My hair is really dry right now actually, so I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Probably like 2 more squirts. The bottle's slippery now, sorry. Just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna put it like right in the fronts of my hair because it's also like super dry. Yeah, so when I do my hair, so I'm gonna be straightening my hair, but when I do my hair straight, I like to like blow dry it straight first, and then I go over it like really quickly with a straightener. I don't really like fully straighten my hair with a straightener. It's just a lot quicker, and I think it's better for my hair. I don't know, I found that it helps a lot with just like dead ends and whatnot. So what I do is I'll let my hair like air dry for, I don't know, whatever amount of time until it feels right, I guess. So usually like if I'm doing it in the morning, I'll like eat breakfast, do my makeup, and then do my hair. Right now I'm doing a face mask, and then I'll probably just do my makeup and then I'll do my hair, and I'll show you guys me doing my hair when I do it. Hi guys. So obviously I did my makeup. I look a little better now. No face mask. But so this is like my hair right now. It's like pretty dry, kind of wet. It's like maybe like halfway dry. So this is a straightener I use. It's a Numi straightener. I don't know if there's different kinds, but this is the one I use. So I plug mine in like over there because I don't have enough outlets right here, so I'm just gonna go do that. So I usually turn on my straightener just to get it warm while I blow dry my hair. So this is my blow dryer. It is a Rusk Engineering Speed Freak. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it works great. It gets really hot, so if you do happen to have this or get this, just be really careful because it does get really hot. I'm a freak, and I like, my hair is super dry, so I'm just gonna put more of this on. Only like 3 squirts, 2 squirts, I don't know. Okay. So we're just gonna put it right at the ends again. My ends are just so dry. Like even in the shower, I put so much conditioner on my ends, and it's just because I like bleached my hair and like, I don't know, didn't use great products on it before like now, so it's just like not great. So this is my wet brush that I use. So I'm just gonna brush through my hair. So my part is like really far over, but I use like this comb just to like make sure it's like perfect, because like as you can see there's like a little hair here. I don't know, I'm like super OCD about my part, but day, so it's like pretty good. So I use a round brush. Mine's kind of like, there's a lot of hair right now, which is kind of gross, but this is the one I use. It's just like a Cricut round brush. I don't know how big it is, like 2 inches maybe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like do like the very front pieces. Like if you had bangs, like this would be your bangs, but mine's just like guys, so okay, so my roommates, so the 3 girls, Jessie, Maggie, and Aaliyah, and we're all like super like bad about, we never want to like kill bugs or anything, so they just killed a bug, but that's why they were screaming if you heard it. So this is my hair after blow drying it. I'm just gonna try to like tilt this down a little bit more. Yeah, so this is my hair after blow drying it. As you can see, it's like pretty long, but I really like focus on the ends to make sure they're nice and smooth, and the front just to make sure it looks good. And if you're blow drying your hair straight, it's just gonna give it more volume rather than just using a flat iron, which just makes it flat, you know. So I use both. So now I'm gonna grab my flat iron and I'm gonna go over it to make sure it's all straight. Okay, so I absolutely love this straightener. Super light, gets hot. Again, just going over my ends. Can do the front a little bit. My baby hairs get super curly. I also am looking in a mirror over here, that's why I'm not like staring directly into the camera. Also, I have Thanksgiving break starting on Tuesday, and my mom is bringing me my camera, so there will be higher quality videos coming. Also, after you straighten your, or after you blow dry your hair, just make sure it's fully dry before you use the flatter. You don't want to like be frying your hair off. Also, I'm not too concerned with like making it look perfect. Like in the back, it may not be 100% straight, but it is what it is, you know. This is my hair. Like under here gets a little crazy. So one of my roommates, Aaliyah, is on mock trial, and her mock trial friends are coming over tonight. So we're very excited to hang out with them for a little bit. And then Maggie and I are going to hang out with our friends, and Jessie's going to hang out with her friends. So we all kind of just do our own thing, but Maggie and I are in the same organization, so we tend to do the same things. So again, my hair is super dry, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this in. It's attention, really. Love me for this, but yeah, so just like really rub it into the ends. Also, like, you're definitely not gonna be perfect at using a blow dryer the first time. Like, even like it took me so long to learn how to do even what I do, and I don't even like do it that great. So just keep practicing if you're not great at it, and you'll get better over time, obviously. You can also wait until your hair is like literally 100% dry and do it, as long as you're using enough heat and like tension on the brush with the blow dryer. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe this video down below, and be prepared for more videos to come. Thanks. Okay. Bye.